So here's how we can see messages on a locked iPhone. So let me show you exactly how it would work. If you are new here and first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss videos and tutorials like this one. Anyways, so the messages on a locked iPhone can definitely be shown as a notification, but there are settings for it, which you need to tweak to make sure it works the way you want. So you open up settings, and at the top of the list almost, we can find the notification right there. And in here, you can change some settings, like generally for every application, but below we have a list of every app which is able to deliver notifications. So I want you to look up the messages right here. And what you need to pay attention to are the previews, which are closer toward the bottom of these menus, but the previews are very important because you can see it is part of the lock screen appearance. And the previews are the deciding factor, which, determines whether you see the content of the message on locked iPhone or not. So in many cases, the default option is called when unlocked, which means that you do get notifications on a lock screen, but you do not see any messages or any previews unless you scan your face. That is the when unlocked option. But instead, what you could do is to click on always, which means that you'll see the messages even on locked iPhone, at least the previews. So it will be like delivered in that sense, right? So that is probably the thing that you are looking for. But if the problem is that the messages do not even light up the screen when you receive them on the lock screen, you also want to make sure that the alerts are checked in here, that the lock screen is selected as well, because that's kind of crucial, of course. But that is all for me. If you set it up in that way, I really believe that you're gonna be happy about the results. So let me know about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching. I hopefully will see you later in the future videos too.